Okay. All right. Focus and participate,
Yes,
please.
sir, I will.
Okay. HCl and HI. All right. HCl and HI. You know, without even drawing HCl and HI, you should be able to just look at them and tell which one is more polar. Which one is more electronegative, the chlorine or the iodine? Chlorine's more electronegative. Okay. So if you have HCl, and you have HI, this one is more polar. Now, why would this be more polar?
Because it has low.
Because chlorine is more electronegative than iodine. Okay? The next one's CH3Cl, or excuse me, Br, CH, okay? CH3Br, CH3Cl. Now, hopefully, you get to the point where you're so advanced at drawing these things that you could be like, oh, I know those are going to be tetrahedral. You know, like so they have carbon and there's 3 hydrogens and a bromine. You know that's 4 things, right?
Yep.
Okay, so automatically, hey, tetrahedral. There's 4 things. Okay, here's my Br. Here's my H's. Tetrahedral. Same with this one. Okay? And then you decide on which one's more polar. Which one's more polar?
The one with the CL.
Very good. Why is that?
Chlorine.
Because chlorine is more electronegative, so this is more polar. Are they both polar, Norman?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this one's polar also. Okay, good. Good.
Okay.
All right. Let's find something a little bit more challenging. Here we go, number 6, H2CO and C2H5OH. Guys, C2H5OH is ethanol. You guys drew it earlier. We put drops on the paper. CH2O is formaldehyde. You put dead frogs in it.
And then
Okay,
preserve them,
CH2O, and then you have C2H5OH. All right? You don't have frog legs. Why would you eat something with formaldehyde in it? Formaldehyde is poisonous.
Like the food.
You ain't never
No,
ate
but you
frog
can't
yet.
poison anybody.
Me neither.
Because you start eating it and you be like, ew, what is
Technically, you can with formaldehyde because it's in cigarettes.
Oh.
So you can slowly do it over the course of 30 years.
this? Ooh, I'm gonna just feed somebody like a whole bunch of frog legs.
I eat frog legs. Good.
Frog legs are not found in formaldehyde, dude. Just if you want to keep them and preserve them, not eat them.
That's what I'm saying. I'm preserve them in it.
All right,
Deep fry them.
here we go. Draw CH2O. Carbon goes in the middle. Hydrogens, oxygens, or 1 oxygen rather. Okay. Count. This one's a little more difficult. Count. You have 4 here. 1 and 2 hydrogens and 6. How many total valence electrons, Graves?
That is,
That's 12.
yeah.
Okay, here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. However, that can't be correct. Why?
Because they only want to have 8.
Carbon does not have 8, so what can we do to fix it? Good, class. We can double bond. Good. All right, nice job. What shape is this called? You gotta know that. Test.
Trigon.
Trigonal
Trigonal here. Planar.
planar. It can't be a pyramid. It doesn't have dots in the middle. It's planar. Okay, trigonal planar. Now, what you need to decide is this polar or non-polar?
It is polar.
It is polar. Good job. Why is it polar? It looks not symmetrical, so it's polar. Does not look like it's symmetrical. C2H5OH. We drew that earlier. That's ethanol. Okay. Now, does that look polar? What do you think, Leo? Is it symmetrical? Is this a symmetrical molecule? Does it look the same everywhere?
No.
No. If it doesn't look the same everywhere, then it's polar. Okay. Now, which one's more polar?
Your triangle.
What's that?
Down.
This one or this one? This one, Charisma? That's right. Okay, this one's more polar. Why is this one more polar? Here's why. The oxygen is only carrying one carbon and hydrogens.
Okay.
Okay, so if this were a polar bear,
Those who are penguins.
these are only 2 penguins, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's look at this molecule over there. If this is a polar bear, how many penguins is it pulling? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who has got an easier pull? This one. This one is a harder pull. Okay, so this one's not quite as polar. Okay, if we could use a tug of war analogy. Let's say oxygen. Oxygen is the big senior in high school, right?
Okay.
Okay, and then these guys right over here, these are kindergartners. There's your kindergartners right there. Okay?
They're small.
All right, now over here we have the big senior in high school. And over here we have some kindergartners. Okay? Little kindergartners.
Mr. Marcello,
Yes?
your thing's messed up.
What's messed up?
It's like
Your YouTube.
tilted.
It's tilted. See, so now they can't see.
Now we're seeing the ceiling. Well, I guess we better just cancel this whole thing.